Welcome to the garage. In this episode, we're going to take the door panel off the Jeep and put a new door handle on the outside. To take the door panel off, we're seeing 3 screws right now. We got one right here and one right here and one right here. So let's get this done. If you're in the Springfield, Missouri area, April 21st to 22nd, stop in at the Moore Overland Expo and meet up with Matt and I. Don't forget to use the code DUNNAGEGAR10 for 10% off your ticket prices. We'll see you there. And these are all Phillips heads, it looks like. Yep. And the one inside the door latch or door handle on the inside is a Torx. Reassuring factor is an RG. So 4 screws total, yep. T30 and Phillips.
Yep.
And we gotta take.
Oh man, it'd be nice if there was a hole right there for me.
Yep, but guess what? There's not. Okay, before we go any further, let's double check and make sure we have a
I think we could make a hole right there.
Before we go any further, let's make sure we got a left and a right door handle.
Is that gonna matter?
It did on the last project. Starting the last step probably isn't the best option. Just saying. A rare sight. A man.
Hey, look.
Looking at directions before the project starts.
It would have showed us where the bolts were. Oh, this is for the newer Jeep. I think that's for like yours, 2015 probably.
That's my inner door panel there. Yeah. All right, per the directions, we're supposed to cut these 2 little access covers out with the window rolled down, unbolt the window, pull the window up and tape. We're thinking it's because the hardware, I'm thinking it's because the hardware that holds the window up is sitting right about here, which is where we need to be.
What's it going to hurt if I just took a little hole and make a little hole right there and just peek in there?
Matt wants to put a hole in the plastic right here.
And see what's behind there, just to see if we can get to the nut.
To see if we can get to the nut on the other side. So,
because if there's no bar or anything right there, then that would be awesome. And it's just a little hole. I mean, I can just plug it with tape or something.
Yep. So
I want to look at it. I want to put a hole in there and check it.
Matt's decided to drill a hole. I told you, Scott, we were supposed to take that off and not waste our time.
There ain't nothing there. I'm telling you.
And that's where Matt juice comes from.
There's something right there.
So this piece is able to be turned. You want to match this. I think that would be for the rear hatch. So now we got to take, are there pins in there for this?
Screws. Looks like it's screws and washers.
Now this is the hole that Matt decided to drill instead of taking off the window hardware and everything else, and that seems to have worked.
Yeah, the other side I'm just going to go a little farther over because it's just off a little bit. It's like right in line with this area right here.
Yeah. Is that right, Ruby?
Did we do a good job?
Did we do a good job? Now the issue we have here, we're going to go ahead and change this out to match, but the tailgate seems like it drops.
Yeah, it's like right above the bumper now, just right above it.
So
That's
before we adjust the tailgate, we have removed the rear access cover, and now we're taking the rear latch off the tailgate. This is an aftermarket tailgate, by the way. And we're going to put it on the workbench, and we're going to go ahead and switch out the hardware off the factory to the new aftermarket handle.
just like that. Dink.
We transferred this entire piece from the factory door handle to here. This red lever, or red connector, goes to the rod that Matt is wiggling right there.
Hooks up to the top there.
All right. Going with the,
I'm in the bottom right now.
now,
Amazing.
right here. Not tight. Well, that's probably the problem.
Yeah, they were pretty loose. I mean, they were loose-ish. I mean,
They were snug, not tight.
there's a stop.
Tailgate's in right there, but bowed out down here.
Yeah, this stop, I think we can adjust this. Let me loosen this, these two bolts right there. These two bolts,
Okay.
I think it messes with that stop right there.
Front or back?
I'm on the front.
Yep. Good and tight?
It is now.
Oh, it wasn't?
Just like this.
Oh, man.
Guaranteed. they are going to be tighter than what I broke them loose from.
Yeah, they were just snug. They weren't torqued. Okay, so what we did find were all 6 of these bolts were loose. All 4 of these bolts were snug. So all 6 of these have been tightened up. We have adjusted the height of the door and raised it up so that when we put the tire on it, it should drop it back down to alignment. Button up the last plate, and we are done. Thanks for watching. If you haven't, please consider subscribing. We'll see you in the next video. Remember, have yourself a blessed day. You fix the Jeep fixes you.